Good morning students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's see the second part of determiners, which is articles. As you all know that articles have two types. First is definite and the second is indefinite. Definite article is the and indefinite article is an. Okay, so first of all let's see the first part, indefinite articles. So indefinite articles a and n. So use of a and n. So rule first is here. Rule first is that a or n is used with such a singular noun which is used first time in a sentence, which does not describe a particular person or a thing. Okay, means it is used such a with such a singular noun which is used only first time in the sentence. Okay, not particularly. Here is not about a particular person or thing. Okay, so let's see the example. He bought a bag from this market. Look here. Here is a. Article a is given here, and after that here is a bag. Bag is a singular noun. Okay, so this is a singular noun, and before a singular noun we added article a. Why? Because he bought a bag from this market. Okay, means simply here is told about a person who is buying a bag. Okay, so with singular noun a will be added. Okay, so look at the second sentence. Someone helped a man whom I saw yesterday. Here is man. Man is a singular noun, and before a singular noun here is given article a. Look, here is told about someone who helped a person. The person, who is the person, here is not told about that person, because not a particular, we are not talking about a particular person. Here is only an ordinary person. Okay, a man. So here is a man will be correct. Look at the rule second. Rule second is that a is used with such a singular noun which begins with the sound of consonant, while n is used with such a singular noun which begins with the sound of vowel. And look, which are the sound of vowel? A, I, U, A, I, O, An, etc. These are some letters which have the sound of a vowel. Okay, as you all know that there are 5 vowel: A, E, I, O, U. But we cannot use with it N. We cannot use N with them. Why? Because if a word has the sound of vowel, and the sound of vowel are these, okay, then we will add N, otherwise A. Okay, so look at the example. Look here again. Look here, that if a word has the sound of consonant, okay, then A will be added. Okay, and if the word has the sound of vowel, then N will be added. Okay, so look at the example. The very first example is that she is blank beautiful girl. Here is a. Article a is given here. Why? Because look here. Here is beautiful. Beautiful. The first sound of this word is bu. Okay, ba. So the sound comes ba. Ba is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound. Then A will be correct. Okay, look at the second. She is blank untidy girl. Here is an, and after n here is given untidy. If you sound this word, then this word will make a sound of un. So the first letter will be a, untidy, a. So a is here. So then n will be correct answer. Okay. Look at the third sentence. He is a blank here, and a is given. European writer. Here is the word European. We know that here is E. So E is a vowel, but look at the sound. If the sound is vowel, then n will be added, otherwise a will be added. Okay, so here is European. So the first letter, first sound U. Okay, so U is not here. Okay, it means a will be correct answer. Look at the fourth. You are an honest person. Here is H. We added N. So the sound of this word will be honest. So O, A. Okay. So here is O. Okay. So honest means vowel sound, then N will be correct. Look at the fifth. A university professor. University. The first sound is U. Then consonant sound. A will be correct. Sixth. An Akshare. When you sound this word, then it will be Akshare. So first letter A, Aksh, A. So A is vowel sound, then N will be correct. Okay. Seventh is a 1 rupee note. So the first sound is V, not vowel sound. It is consonant sound. Then A will be correct. Look at the eighth. An MP. So sound it MP. First letter A. First sound A. Then N will be correct. Look at the ninth. A one-eyed man. So the first sound is one. V. Okay. And so A will be correct. 10th. An MA. So the first sound is A. MA. Then N will be correct. 11th. An hour. So here is the sound hour. So the first sound is A. Okay, then A is vowel. So N will be correct. Okay, so this is the use of indefinite articles A and N. I hope that you all got it very well. And now look at the second part of articles definite. Okay. So look at the definite article, which is use of the. So rule first of the is used with a noun which is unique by itself. Okay. So unique means anokhi, we say. So look at the example. The earth, it is only the one thing. It is the only one. Okay. The moon, the sun, the galaxy, the world, the stars, the sky, etc. These are some noun which are unique by itself. Okay. So before them we use article the. Okay. Rule second. The is used before ordinal numbers. If you see that what is ordinal number? So what ordinal number is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, means go on infinite. Okay. So example, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, etc. Go on. Okay. Look at the example one. Tuesday is the third day of a week. Here is the third. So before ordinal number we will use the article the. Okay. Rule third. The is used with the name of newspapers and magazines. So before the name of any newspaper or magazine we use article the. Here the Rajasthan Patrika, the Dainik Bhaskar, the Hindustan Times, the Hind Kesari, etc. So these are some names of a newspaper and magazine. So before the name of a newspaper or a magazine, we use article the. I hope that you got it. Now let's see rule 4th. Now look at the rule 4th. Rule 4th is before the name of plural names of a country. So look at the name of country which has plural name. Okay, so as USA. So before USA, article the will be added. Like India. India has a singular name. Okay, means single name. It means we cannot use it article the. Okay, so but USA double name means plural name. Then there will be added. Okay, the UK double name. The UAE plural name. Okay, so article the will be added. Look at the rule 5th. Before the words of caste, religion, community and nationality, etc. So that is used before the name of a caste, religion, community and nationality. Look at the example. The Jats, the Rajputs, the Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikhs, the Isai means the Christian. Okay, so these are the name of some caste, religion, community, nationality, Indian. Okay, so before the name of these, the will be added. Look at the rule 6th. With the names of rivers, bays, seas, oceans, etc. So look at the example. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Bay of Bengal, the Dead Sea, the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, etc. are the name of some rivers, bays, seas and oceans. So before the name of these, the article will be added. Okay, look at the rule 7. With the names of government branches, if they are the name of government branches, then article the will be added. Look at the example. The legislative, Vidhan Sabha, the army, the navy, the air force, the police, the executive, Karyapalika. Executive means Karyapalika. Okay, etc. So these are some names of government branches. So before the name of these, article the will be added. So rule 7, basically according to your syllabus I have done it. Okay, so I hope the determiners you got it very well. On 2 types of determiners are asked in your examination. So according to your syllabus I have done it. Okay, so determiners is completed. That's it for today. We see next topic on the other day. Okay, thank you so much.